Welcome to my channel, where we explore the world and get inspired every week.
Every journey tells a story, but some journeys become part of the story as we are creating. Today, my team and I are heading out to King City, Ontario for something very special, a wedding photo shoot. This isn't just another day behind the camera. It is a journey filled with creativity, teamwork, beautiful moments, and responsibility of capturing memories.
Ever to ride on a road like this. This is what we call Maram Road. Iwafe, Uganda. In Canada, Ontario. I don't know what they call it, but you know what? It is what it is. Fucking beautiful. Looks amazing.
Is it Uganda? I think what you kill mu Uganda.
I know.
We are no we Indiana Bukona.
Jaco.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of my life as a photographer and a content creator. My team and I getting ready to travel to King City, Ontario, where we are going to capture a beautiful wedding. For wedding photographer, preparation is everything. You don't want to arrive at the venue and realize you have forgotten a battery, memory card, lenses, or a lighting equipment. One thing I love about photography is that sometimes the adventure begins long before you arrive to the venue. We on the road King City. The equipment is ready, the team is ready. Excited to see what today is going to bring. Behind every beautiful wedding photography is a team, and that spends hours preparing, traveling, setting up, shooting, and making sure every important moment is captured.
Watuuze oba wetugendayo watuufu naye nga yo yatuuse ddala tulaze twatuuse.
Ebiseera tebitera kubeera ku maps.
What? Oh my god. Zooming up location between. That's our venues. That's our venue today.
And finally, we have arrived in the King City venue. The atmosphere is different, the location is beautiful, and you can already feel that something special is about to happen. But the thing we have to do is get inside, understand the location, check the lighting, identify the best photo spots, and prepare ourselves before the wedding moments begin.
Lovely place.
Yes, sir.
Ronnie Bob, are you? Ronnie Bob.
Ronnie Bob.
Your official photographer for today.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
We are the venue. Oh my God. The decorators are doing their thing. And the photographers have just arrived. Want to little dawa? Little dawa. Little dawa.
Claystone over Kleinberg.
Kleinberg. We're in Kleinberg. The decoration is going on. I think upstairs is a station. And down here, I don't know what's going to happen here, but the decorations are going on. And everything is just wow. People up there doing the decoration. And downstairs is another session going on here. We're in the King City. If you ask me, I don't know really where I am right now. But certainly I'm in the King City. We're here for photography session. Down there the decorations are going on. And up this side is the King City. First is so beautiful. Yeah, someone is worshiping. Hope he's worshiping the maker, the artist. Oh my. Place is so beautiful.
Before the camera starts clicking, we scout the location where the couple will take their portraits, where the best natural light, where we can create beautiful compositions, where we can capture those unexpected moments. For me, wedding photography isn't just about taking pictures. It's about understanding light, emotion, timing, composition, and most importantly, understanding the people in front of the camera.
Wow. This is where the chat session is gonna happen. The Sepal Preet, the photograph session. And I think the reception is gonna be down there. Wow. What a feeling. So beautiful.
After scouting the area, my team and I walk into the building so that we can do the preparations. The moment that we have been preparing for begins. The cameras will be out, the lights will be positioned, the team get into action. Today we are not simply taking photos, we are freezing moments in time. Smile, look, hug, laugh, and tear. A moment between two people who have chosen to spend their lifetimes together. One thing I have learned over the years is that you can have the best camera in the world, but you still need a creative team. Everyone has a role. Someone is watching the lighting, someone is checking the equipment, someone is looking for the next shot, and together we create something beautiful. This is what makes it special. It's not just Emmanuel behind the camera, it's the whole team. As the day begins to slow down, we take advantage of one of the most beautiful moments of photography, the golden hour.
I just wanted to show you how beautiful this place is. Because of the blue, it's more like a mansion. I wish I could take you home. This is so beautiful. The setup here, fair. Oh my God,
The sound check process is ongoing because one of the worst things that you'll ever have to on your party is having the bad sound. So photography and the videographers do work in hand in hand so that we can record everything that is going on without missing any bit of the voices and the beautiful smiles and laughter of the moment.
Let's go faster, 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 faster. Greetings, everybody, boy. Greetings, everybody, boy. Give me what I shut up. Shut. Yeah, listen.
Louder.
Yeah. When I was on the down to the video sounds like you know, so I give us somebody else and I'm spinning all what they're taking all what cook. What you want to now go cook. The nigga go cook. This is the other cook of a big street code. So much about cook. Cook the little cook. But the cook. Some got a cook. What up the church? Yeah, you like
yes, sir.
Listen. Say, yeah. Say,
How is that gonna go?
praise God, praise God.
Finally, here comes the golden hour. This is where photography becomes the storytelling. The lighting, the location, the couple, and the emotions, everything comes together.
Hey, we have to enjoy you. We have to.
Light setup check. Light check.
Every image represents the moment that can never be repeated exactly the same way. That's irresponsibility and the beauty of being a wedding photographer. Today has been an incredible experience, from leaving Hamilton, traveling to King City, setting up with my team, meeting the couple, and capturing the special day. It's another reminder of why I love what I do. Photography has taken me to different places, introduced me to amazing people, and allowed me to tell a story through images. The story and the journey is far from over. As we leave King City and begin our journey home, we are carrying more than cameras and equipment. We are carrying memories, a successful day, a beautiful story, and the photographers that will hopefully remain with this couple for generations. Thanks for joining me and my team for this journey to the King City, Ontario. If you enjoyed coming behind the scenes of a real wedding photo shot, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me for more photography tours, travel, life stories from Ontario and beyond. I'm Emmanuel Musana. Thank you.
When I look at you, I see the ever very air I breathe. I see the sun, girl, how you shine on me. Niko mzima kwa sababu ya wewe tu. And when you talk to me, I hear the angels, I can hear them sing. I hear the sound of our eternal